everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this shrug with a star on top of it. Show me what you made. I don't think you can comment it, but write me a DM or mark me in your post. So I guess let's get started. So we're starting with the front part. You're just going to do chains. It doesn't matter how many, just the length you want, and it should be divisible by 3. Personally, I'm going to do 72. That's just the amount that works for me, but just do how many you need. After you chained your amount you needed, you're going to add 5 more chains. And then you're going to triple crochet in the 7th loop. So the loop on your hook doesn't count, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the number, and in the 8th. I'm sorry, I said 7th, it's the 8th. And to triple crochet, you're going to yarn over once, yarn over twice, and go into that chain. Then you're pulling over. You have now 4 loops on your hook. Pull over through the first 2 and the second 2, then you have 2 and those 2. Now you're going to chain 2 and triple crochet, and you're going to skip 2 chains, and in a third you're going to do your triple crochet. So yarn over, yarn over, yarn over. So that's what it looks like. And again, chain 2, triple crochet, skip 2 in the third, and ta-da! So you're just going to repeat this until the end of your chain, and I'm going to see you there. So for the last stitch, you're going to chain 2 and just work normal triple crochet in this last loop. So this is what your row should look like. And now you're going to chain 5. And turn, or you can turn and chain 5, I don't think that matters. And now you're going to skip those 2 and triple crochet it into this triple crochet. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is what it looks like. Then you're going to chain 2 and just repeat the process into this triple crochet, and that's basically it. You're just going to repeat that until the end of the row, and then I'll see you again. This is what it looks like, and just repeat. So for the last stitch of the row, you're going to chain 2, then you're going to do your triple crochet, and you're going to do it in the 3rd loop, like you're going to skip 2, and then in this 3rd loop you're going to insert your triple crochet, and ta-da! That's just how you do it. Now you're going to chain 5 again and turn your work and just continue. Skip 2, triple crochet into the triple crochet of the row below, and you're going to do this as many times as you need to achieve the height you need. So for me personally, I'm going to do probably 6 rows, and yeah, I'm going to see you then. I decided to do 8 rows just because I wanted to have it a bit oversized, but you just do as you prefer. And now you're going to chain 1, secure, pull it really tight, and cut it off. So this is what you're having, and you're going to do the exact same steps for the back part. So you're going to chain the same amount as you did for the first part, and then add 5, and then just do triple crochet, chain 2, skip 2, triple crochet, chain 2, skip 2. So that's all you're gonna do, and I'll see you there. We're going to do the sleeve. For the sleeve, you're going to chain the amount of the length you need to fit comfortably around your arm. I'm going to do it a bit oversized. For me, I'm going to chain 54 chains plus 5. That's important, and we're just going to do the same pattern we already did for the 2 main parts, but I'm going to show you again. After you did your amount of chains, you're going to do the triple crochet, a triple crochet into the 8th chain. The loop on your hook doesn't count, so you're going to count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your chain. And you're going to yarn over, pull through. You have now 4 loops on your hook. Pull through the first 2, pull through the second pair of 2, and the last ones. That's your first triple crochet. Then you're going to chain 2, count 2 at the bottom, skip those 2 and work into the 3rd stitch, a triple crochet. And you're just going to repeat it. Chain 2, skip 2 at the bottom, and work into the 3rd chain. So now you're just going to repeat this until the end of the row, and I'm going to show you once again how to do the 2nd row, but at this point you already should have the hang of it. So at the end of this row, you're going to work into this last stitch, and then you're going to chain 5 and turn your work. Then you're going to skip those 2 loops and head straight into this triple crochet. Then you're going to chain 2 and triple crochet into the other. You don't have to count anymore, you just look where is my triple crochet, and then you just work into the triple crochet and chain 2 in between them. So It's as simple as that. You're going to repeat that pattern until you have enough rows. I don't know how many I'm going to do since I'm going to do it oversized, but just what feels right is probably going to be right. So trust your instinct. And I'll see you when I finished the sleeve. That's my first sleeve. I ended up doing 21 rows, so yeah, you just do the length you need for your arm, and then you repeat the same process all over again because you need a second sleeve. So after you finish both sleeves, you're going to lay it out and you're going to connect those two main pieces with the sleeve. So that's what it should look like. Here's your sleeve, and those are the two main parts. I use stitch marker to be more sure of where I want to connect it. I have one row that's not going to be connected to the sleeves. If you made your main part a bit wider, and there are probably more, and if you didn't, you probably don't even have the entire width to connect the sleeve and the main part. What you're going to do now is you're going to insert your hook into the stitch you marked and go through both of the parts. Then you're going to attach your yarn and make single crochet in this loop where you already attached your yarn. Then you're going to do single crochet in the holes and connect it that way. Since you do triple crochets, you do 2 single crochet in each space. So that's what it looks like. And you're just going to do that with the entire length of the sleeve. You're just going to repeat the same process with the other sleeve. So after you connected the sleeves, you're going to fold it like this, and you already can see the shrug coming in form. And now you're going to connect this opening from the sleeves. So after you finished weaving in the ends and connecting both the sleeves and the main part, you're basically finished with the shrug, but we're going to add a little detail to it. That you're going to grab another color. I like to do simply a darker shade, like here I have a darker brown for my beige shrug. And now we're going to do a little detail. You can do whatever you like. I'm going to show you how to do stars since that's my personal preference. It's what I do the most. So, to make a star, we're starting with a magic ring. To do a magic ring, you're going to make your yarn look like that. I can link a tutorial for a magic ring below if you want to, since I'm not the best at explaining how to do a magic ring. So after you did your magic ring, you're going to chain 3. That's going to count as your first double crochet. So now you're going to do 14 more. So we need 15 double crochets in total. And I'm going to see you then. So after you did your 15 double crochets, you're going to slip stitch into the first one and pull pull this yarn string. Then you're going to chain 5 plus 1 to turn. Then you're going to work into the second loop on your hook. You're going to pull the yarn. You have now 2 loops on your hook and through both. That's a single crochet. Then you're going to yarn over again, pull through, and now you have 3 loops on your hook and go through all 3. Then you're going to yarn over again, yarn over, pull through. Then you're going to pull through the first 2 and then the second 2. Now you have 2 stitches left, and in those 2 stitches you're going to do 2 triple crochets. You already know how the triple crochets are made. I don't need to explain it to you, since you already did your entire shrug in single crochets. So then you're going to count to 3. So that's your first stitch right there. That's your second, and that's your third. And into that third, you're going to slip stitch. Now you have your first point. Then you're going to chain 5 again, plus 1. And you're going to repeat single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet, and 2 triple crochets. Then you're going to count 1, 2, 3. Into that third, you're going to slip stitch. That's what it looks like, and you're going to repeat that 3 more times, so you have 5 points of stars. So that's what your star looks like right now, and now instead of just chaining 1 like I already did and just cut off the yarn, you're going to leave a really long tail, because we need this to sew the star onto the shrug. So now you're going to cut off the yarn and pull tight. And now we're going to sew it onto the shrug. Make sure you weave it in on the right side of the shrug, like not the side where you can see, like where you connected it, the other one. And now you're going to place your star where you want it to, and you're just going to grab a needle and just sew it on. So that's the final shrug result. Here's what it looks like. I think it's really pretty. I think if you want to, you can like fixate it like that and make a neck out of it, but I think open it's really pretty too. So yeah, show me what you made out of it. I'm really excited to see it, and I hope you like this video. Bye!